Hey, Quiz Squad! Welcome to Quiz Universe! Ready for today's challenge? It's Spot the Unique Emoji time in this Ultimate Hard Edition. I've got 25 brain-busting puzzles here to put your observation skills to the test. If you want a shot at making the leaderboard, smash that subscribe button and let's see what you've got. Ready? Let's dive right in. Can you find the unique emoji in this bunch of lookalikes? Take your time or don't. Can you spot the sneaky one? Yep, it's hiding right there, just begging to be found. Nice start. Which emoji doesn't belong? Seems easy, right? Look again. One of these emojis is totally breaking the vibe. And bingo! There's the odd one out. Keep it up. Ready for a real test? Find the escape route in this emoji maze. Which exit will get you out? Don't let the distractions trip you up. If you chose this one, give yourself a high five. You nailed it. Spot the rogue emoji in this pack. Look closely. One of these just doesn't vibe with the others. And there it is. Excellent eye detective. One emoji here doesn't match the others. Feeling confident? Prove it. Scan carefully and... Aha! There it is, the outlier. Great catch. Emoji Pictionary time. Can you guess what food these emojis spell out? Thinking caps on? Got it? Yep, it's sweet potato. Well done, emoji genius. One of these is not like the others. Go on, find the oddball. A little trickier, right? But not for you. Awesome job spotting the difference. Let's play Spot the Unique Bread. One bread emoji in this Carb Fest is giving something different. Found it? Nice job, bread champion. Find the odd croissant out. Wee wee detective! There's a unique croissant hiding in plain sight. If you spotted it, you're practically a pastry pro. Pizza time! Find the odd slice in this delicious bunch. Mouth-watering yet. Keep those cravings in check and... There's the odd pizza. You're on fire! Pick the correct emoji from these options. This one's a brain teaser. Got your answer? Yep, the correct emoji is A. Spot on. Which one of these stands out? Get those eagle eyes working. Did you find it? Awesome sauce. On to the next one. Time for a Spot the Difference challenge. Can you find the 3 things that are different? Eyes peeled. And there you have it. You're practically a pro. There's one odd emoji in this group. Can you locate it? Don't let those lookalikes fool you. There's a sneaky odd one out. Found it? Brilliant. Find the odd cake emoji. One cake here just doesn't fit the theme. Can you spot it? Uh-huh, there it is. Nicely done. Guess what this emoji combo is spelling out? You're looking at a familiar logo here. Any guesses? Yup, it's Burger King. You're on a roll. Find the odd crown in this royal lineup. Somewhere in this lineup, there's a crown that's feeling a little different. Got it? Excellent! Hunt down the odd pretzel in this bunch. This one's salty, just like spotting that odd emoji. There it is, a plus for effort. Can you find the lone bagel that's out of place? Look closely, breakfast expert. One bagel is definitely doing its own thing. Yep, right there, Bagel Boss. Which emoji on this board stands out? Staring at this one, got the odd emoji? Perfect pick. Keep it up. Find the real emoji. Which one is it? Tricky. Tricky. Is it A or B? Answer B. You're rocking it. Can you spot the unique icon here? Scan carefully. Did you find it? Right there. Way to go, Emoji Sleuth. Spot all the differences between these two pictures. Not easy, huh? But you've got this. Awesome! You found all the differences. Stellar work! Find the odd one out in this lineup. Keep your focus. Nailed it! Right there! Well done! And finally, where's the odd cheese wedge hiding? One cheese here isn't following the crowd. Did you see it? Nice job! Cheese whiz! And that's a wrap, Quiz Masters! How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below, and let's see who's got the sharpest eyes. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes, and keep those eyes sharp for next time. See you in the next challenge.